Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some excellent fuel efficiency as well. Coming with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, and a new sleek look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, we have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck. And you have seating for 3 comfortably, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders, as well as a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at a digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance settings, fuel economy, and your comm screen. And then on the left you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom of the controls. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensor, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your remote camera view, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls, and then to the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 selector with locking rear differential and drive mode selector. So you have normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the other end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then on the right side, you have a 12-volt USB and USB-C, and this button above to open this compartment above your glove box. And then you have your climate controls in the middle, very simple, easy to use. Below that, you have another USB and USB-C, as well as another 12-volt power outlet, and this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever you want to do. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious inside. And then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage, so that's always nice too. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.